Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We look at the current trend of the market, present support and resistance levels. We'll start with the event calendar, look at the dollar index also, then we'll begin our gold analysis. So today is Tuesday, May 3rd. And when we look at the event plan for today, at 10 AM we have events related to Australian dollar, which has a high impact. And next, when we look at the high impact news, at 7:30 PM we have US dollar related currency pairs high impacting news. Other than these two events, we have only low impacting news coming up. We also have bank holiday for JPY. And also we have bank holiday for China. So we have two important news planned for today. So plan your trade entries and exits based on this economic calendar. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in 30 minutes time frame of dollar index. When we look at the price action in dollar index, after breaking this resistance level of 101, it was continuously in a very strong bullish rally. And it went up to the level of 103 and then it started its retracement, breaking this trend line or support line. Now you can notice that it has again tried to break this resistance level and it couldn't succeed in breaking this resistance level. Now we are noticing a little bit of retracement happening. So if the retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 102. Only when the price action breaks this support level of 102, we can expect a further fall in DXY, in which case it will be breaking this neck level of double top pattern. So we can expect it to retrace up to this support level of 101. So these are all the levels to be noted for now. Let us begin our gold analysis. Today I will be doing the analysis from the 4 hours time frame and will be sharing you the current support and resistance levels. Use these levels as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. So when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it was continuously in a very nice bullish trend. Then it retraced. Again it went on a bullish trend, but it couldn't break the previous high. Currently the price action is in a retracement or in a downtrend. So when we draw a trend line and check the current trend of the market, from here it started its bearish trend reversal. So we can clearly notice that it has not broken this trend line or resistance line. And when we look at the support levels, we'll move on the left hand side. This level had acted as a resistance level. Now we can notice the price action has breached this support level and next level of support is going to be around 1845. So currently the price action is trading within a support zone, and overall when we look at the price action, it is forming into a triangle pattern. So if the price action bounces back from this support level, it will be a bullish trend reversal to retest on this resistance line, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in 4 hours time frame. Let me mark the support and resistance levels. So currently when we look at the price action, it is trading between the resistance level of 1871 and support level of 1841. And we also know that the current price action is trading above this trend line or support line. So as long as the price action is trading above this support line, it is still in a bullish trend. And when we analyze the Fibonacci's retracement level, this is where the bullish trend started. It went up to the level of 2071 and we can clearly notice that the current price action is trading between 78.60% and 61.80% in Fibonacci's tool. This is a good support point in Fibonacci's tool, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1780. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is clearly in a bearish trend. I've also drawn the resistance line and the support line, so it is now trading within this bearish channel pattern. And currently it has taken support on this support line and it is making attempt to break this resistance level of 1871, and if the price action break this resistance level, we can expect it to retest on this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. As long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. But still we have a very strong support line or trend line from the 4 hours time frame over here. So we can expect it to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading in a support zone. Wait for it to come out from this support zone to take a trade on the bullish side, or wait for it to break this trend line or support line from the daily time frame to take trades on the bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we can clearly notice that the price action has taken resistance on this resistance line. It was in a very nice downtrend and it has taken support on this channel pattern support line, and it is in a trend reversal to break this resistance level of 1870. In the past also it has attempted to break this resistance level, but it couldn't break and went on a bearish trend reversal. Now it is in a process of retesting this resistance level. In 30 minutes time frame, if the price action breaks this resistance line, you can go on a bullish side trades, and if it breaks this trend line or support line, you can take trades on the bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on this support line from the bearish channel pattern, but overall when we look at the price action, it is in a bearish trend. Within this bearish trend, it is trying to make a bullish trend reversal to retest on this resistance level of 1902. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a bullish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. We already know that the price action has given breakout from the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, and currently it is in a bullish trend reversal. But you can notice that the bullish momentum is becoming weaker and weaker. Wait for it to break this support line or trend line to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1871 to go on a bullish side trades. Currently the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. So I would advise you to wait for a proper trend to take a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance level of 1865 and support level of 1863. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.